Why do I always work? Because I need money. So Liam, tell me about Mark.
He will be 5 to my 5 birthday.
He's going to do what?
He'll be 5 to my birthday.
He's invited to your birthday? Awesome.
And you
When
are.
is Mark I'm invited to your birthday as well? Good. When is Mark going to get here?
In 7 days.
7 days. Are you excited for Mark?
Actually, 9 days.
No, not 9 days. It's only 7.
7!
Yay! Are we way excited for Mark?
Yeah!
What are you going to tell Mark when he gets here?
I'm going to say, are you going to stay here?
He is going to stay here for almost a whole year. What else are you going to say to him?
It's my birthday.
Mark doesn't care about your birthday right now. Your birthday's a long time away. What else?
He's going to give me a present.
He's going to play soccer with you.
He's the stripes.
He's going to wear stripes too. Are you going to have him teach you to play soccer?
I'm going to be 8.
Number 8?
I'm going to be number 100.
Do you remember how old Mark is?
Yeah.
Remember that word I taught you?
He is
Zeep sing.
17.
Say zeep sing.
Here's this. How old is he? 15.
Say it again.
15.
Say it again.
Ooh.
Zeep sing.
15.
Oh, very good. Pierce, come over here and say hi.
Hello. Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say
Hello.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Guten Tag.
Say Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Say we can't wait to see you.
We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to see you.
7 days.
7 days.